Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can comment on TikTok videos using voice note. I'm going to show you guys how you can use voice note on TikTok comment section. So guys, this is a new feature most TikTokers are actually talking about. I've seen several videos on this particular topic. Let me get to play a few of the videos so you guys can see this video right here.
TikTok better pass Instagram. I mean, they tell you, watch now. TikTok don't bring voice note like the way they use for WhatsApp. TikTok don't bring voice note.
So guys, you've heard what that person said. Let me show you guys another video.
Why haven't you dropped a voice note? Like, are you not seeing? Are you not seeing?
So guys, I believe you heard what that person said as well. Let me play the third video.
Okay, so guys, I actually don't know why people are finding it so difficult to use the voice note on TikTok.
Okay guys, I want to show you how to comment using voice note on your TikTok account.
So guys, what we're going to do in this video today is to try out that feature, the voice note, the voice recording feature, which enables people to actually comment on TikTok videos. So guys, in those 3 videos we just watched right now, they gave us 3 ways to actually turn on the voice note, the voice recording on TikTok comment section. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the 2 ways. First of all, I'll go over to my TikTok account to see if that voice note or that voice recording feature is there on my TikTok comment section. So guys, let me tap on my TikTok now. Let me open my TikTok. So guys, now I can see I'm on my TikTok homepage. So guys, now I can see this is a video. So let me try to comment on this video using the voice note or using the voice recording. So let me tap on the comment section. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I can see this is the comment section of TikTok. So guys, now for you to actually add a comment using the voice note or voice recording, what you have to do first of all is to tap on where it is written add comment. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I can see there is actually no microphone on this TikTok comment section, which will enable you to make a voice note or actually record your voice and make a comment using your voice note. So guys, now I can see there is nothing like that here. The update is not yet on my TikTok app. The only microphone you can see there is my keyboard microphone. That's the microphone that we use to convert our voice into text. So guys, that's not the voice recording feature which enable people to use voice note to comment on TikTok videos. So guys, now I can see it's not actually here, but the tips that they actually give us is one, we have to first of all update our TikTok app. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to check if our app is updated. That's the first thing we're going to do. And the second thing is to report the problem to TikTok, telling TikTok that we don't have the voice note or the voice recording feature which enable people to actually comment on TikTok videos using VN or using voice note. So guys, now what we have to do now is to go over to our Play Store or go over to our App Store to update our TikTok app. So guys, let me go over to my Play Store now to see if my TikTok app is updated. I think I updated it recently. If you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, what you have to do is to go over to your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store. So guys, once your Play Store opens up, what you have to do is to search for TikTok. So guys, let me search for TikTok right away. Let me type it in, TikTok. Then let me tap on enter. So guys, now I can see the TikTok app there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now I can see my TikTok app is actually updated. If it's not updated, you're going to see a button there asking you to update. So this is not the old version. This is the recent and current updated version of TikTok. So guys, not having the updated version of TikTok is not actually the problem of not having the voice note or the voice recording feature. So guys can see that one is actually cancelled out. So guys, let me go over to the second way that the TikTokers actually recommend, and that's actually reporting the problem of not having the voice note or the voice recording feature. So guys, for you to do that, you have to go over to your TikTok again. So guys, let me tap on my TikTok app now to open my TikTok once again. So guys, you can see I'm on my TikTok homepage. So now for you to report a problem, what you have to do is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see it down there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I'm on my TikTok profile. The next step you have to take now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top right corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on settings and privacy. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll to the bottom of this page. Then after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written report a problem. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, this is where you're going to chat with TikTok. This is where you're going to be able to report your problem to TikTok. What you have to do is to type a message, and for you to type a message, you have to tap on where it is written send a message. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I can see you cannot type a message. What you have to type in is the problem of not having the voice note or the voice recording or the microphone which enables people to actually send voice note or actually comment on TikTok using voice note. So guys, that's what you have to type in. So guys, let me type it in. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to be typing the message real quick, so I'm going to get a response from them quickly. So guys, now let me type it in.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Now I've been able to chat with TikTok and I got a response from them. So guys, it's not possible for you to actually comment on TikTok videos using voice note. That feature is not actually out. Maybe in the future, TikTok is going to bring out the option of voice note, which will enable us to comment on TikTok videos with voice note. But for now, it's not actually out. Those videos that you actually see on TikTok that are actually trending, people are actually using those videos to actually increase the engagement on their videos on their TikTok account. It's not actually true. It's not possible for anyone to actually comment on TikTok videos using voice note or using VN. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys that it's not actually possible for anyone to comment on TikTok videos using voice note. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye.